Hi, welcome to CJ Why Money Entertainment. And today I got a package I'm gonna share with y'all. So let's open it up and see what's inside. See, you know what? Hit me up in the comments. Let me know, how do y'all like these new packages? If you get anything from Amazon, it's supposed to be a new rip and tear. It really doesn't work for me. Really easy. Let me know. We got a box inside. Okay, let's see what's inside this box. Open up. Maybe today's just not my open up stuff day. Okay, let's see. Ooh, this is nice. This is Come out. Okay, this is one part of the unit. And okay, came with instructions. And it's a wireless doorbell. And it also came with a little screwdriver, the bell, and the receiver. Okay. What I'm going to do is read the instructions. Then I'm going to go into detail. I've done numerous doorbells. I'm going to leave them up here somewhere. They're all wireless, from big doorbells that plays your music, that's on your phone or on your stereo, to smaller wireless doorbells similar to this for back doors, porches, decks, cabins, personal rooms. These are really good to put in if you're a kid and you got a sister or sibling and you're older, you don't feel like really being bothered. You can put this outside your door, pull this into your room, and they can ring the doorbell. You can ring my bell. So we'll be back up close, personal, with this doorbell. To show everything that came in the package up close. This is the sticker that goes on the back of this to put on the wall. This is the receiver, that right here, that it receives the signal from here. And this is the screwdriver that you probably need to put in the battery and adjust. This is the manual, short. It's even got pictures to explain. It does take a 12 V23A battery that goes into this unit. On the side over here of this unit is where you control the volume, and backwards or forwards. Of course, you plug it into here, and the speaker is here, so it should be a loudspeaker. On this side, you have the LED indicator, as well as the button, and you open it up from this bottom to get to the battery, and you use this. Easy to use. Now this unit goes up to 1,000 feet in operation range, so it could be 1,000 feet away from each other. It's also IP55 waterproof, so this unit can be used outdoor, bad storms. It does have 5 levels of volumes inside the unit, and this is the battery. Okay, there you go. And all you have to do is remove this sticker, and it'll activate the battery. Put this top back on, and then put this onto the back. 5 ringtones. Now, I got this one because I have one already on my door, but I like this because it's black. It is the first one that I've seen black. So, we're going to go by the guide. Changing the ringtones, you just press backwards or forwards right there to change the ringtone. You hold down the volume, and that will adjust the receiver for 5 seconds until you hear a dong sound. Receiver indicator will flash. Okay, let's look it up. No one's home. Throw them likes up if you like this video. Slap that subscribe button because you want to see more of me and the things